In this video, we'll deploy n8n on Cuemby Cloud. During the deployment, we'll configure the instance within the platform and select the necessary resources to get the service up and running. We'll also select the n8n image and configure the parameters needed to run the service. If your goal is to automate tasks between applications without relying on manual processes, n8n is a great option. It's a workflow automation platform that connects services, moves data between tools, and allows you to create processes with little to no programming. It also combines automation with AI capabilities and offers both low-code and more technical options, while Cuemby Cloud performs the provisioning. It's also worth understanding 3 important topics for the client: how the services network will be managed when it's advisable to enable a public IP for controlled external access, and why backups are key to understanding the configuration and continuity of the workflows being built. This is especially valuable in n8n because it's not just about launching an application, but about having a tool that will then centralize automations across different systems. n8n stands out precisely because of its flexibility, its integrations, and the ability to connect virtually any service with an API, even with custom logic. Finally, we validate that n8n is available and ready to start creating automations quickly. With this, the client not only sees how to deploy a service on Cuemby Cloud, but also how to enable a platform that can help them save time, integrate tools, and operate with greater autonomy.